Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Audacity for Windows 11 free. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just open Start menu and just search here as a Microsoft Store. Once you type a Microsoft Store will be open here. Just hit the button, so Microsoft Store will be open here. So officially Microsoft Store has Audacity. So as you see here, so this is Microsoft Store. So you can able to search on the app on the top. So you can you have lot of application will be available on search box. Just type Audacity. So once you type Audacity software officially will be released from Microsoft Store. So as you see, this one is a multimedia design software. So Audacity. Why the Audacity software we are using? So Audacity is a easy to use multi-track audio editor recording tool. It is free open source software, has been developed by the dedicated community since 1999. It's a beautiful option. And what are the major features are there in the Audacity? Audio recording, can record computer audio editing, and open source plugins, and everything will be free in Audacity. So now it will be there in Windows 11 with free. Just click install option. Once you click install, automatically your application will start installing in your laptop. So just wait for a few seconds and you will get a beautiful application which is easy and free in your Windows 11. So this is a beautiful option. While you select the Microsoft Store and search Audacity and install, you can freely use for audio video recording as well as clean audio editing also you can done using Audacity. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.